नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः एवं यज्ञाश्च वेदाश्च वर्णाश्च द्विजपूर्वकाः सर्वे देवनिकायाश्च सर्वे भूतगणाश्च ये वृष्ट्या धृतमिदं सर्वम् अन्नं निष्पाद्यते यया सापि निष्पाद्यते वृष्टिः सवित्रा मुनिसत्तम आधारभूतः सवितुः ध्रुवो मुनिवरोत्तम ध्रुवस्य शिशुमारो असौ सोऽपि नारायणात्मकः हृदि नारायणस्तस्य शिशुमारस्य संस्थितः बिभर्ता सर्वभूतानाम् आदिभूतः सनातनः. So in the Dashamodhyayam, before we start this Dashamodhyaya, I wanted to say a little bit, someone sent me some number class attend pandravada. So he sent me some references which are really good actually. One of those is in Taittiriya Aranyakam. Second prashna, அதாவது அதில் வந்து the entire description of அந்த இடத்துல வந்து the dhruva that he mentions there is not our dhruva nakshatram or dhruva uttanapada sutaha dhruvaha iti nasti. So there if you look at the Shayana Bhashyam, he gives the vyutpatti for the word Shishumara also. Shishun marayati da, but Shishun agnan eva. So அக்ஞஹ யஹ ந ஜானாதி சஹ சிசுஹு. இப்போ இதில் அதாவது தர்க்க சங்கிரஹ நிதாய ஹிருதி விஸ்வேஷம் விதாய குருவந்தனம் பாலானாம் சுகபோதாய கிரியதே தர்க்க சங்கிரஹான்னு இருக்கு. when he says balanam sukhabodaya natu stanandayah iti, tatra shishuhu is not referring to a small boy who has just been born and who is just within 5 years tatha nasti. It is more like a person who is not introduced to the tarka shastra. The tarka sangraha is for those people. Iti balanam ityatra agnaha eva suchitaha. So agnan eva marayati ayam na vidushaha. This is the explanation that Shayana Bhashyam gives for the word Shishumara, which is there in the Taittiriya Aranyakam. So Shishun Agnan, one who destroys those people who do not understand the tattvam behind Shishumara. And then he also says Dhruvaha iti avinashaha athava akashadehe nivasasthanam iti. So when we say Dhruvasya sthanam, Dhruvasya adharaha Shishumaraha, then it means that he is the adhara or the support or the nivasasthanam of Dhruva, anything that is eternal, that we think is eternal, starting from Akasha and everything. So Shishumara is just, and even in Bhagavatam, 5th skanda, you find, 5th skanda is usually Gadyam portion. Many of the portions are Gadya there. So in the 23rd chapter, he describes the Shishumara constellation. That is, it is a huge dolphin kind of, Jalajantu kind of, Jyotisham, Punjaha tatra iti, and Yoga Dharanaya eva, that entire concept or the visualization of Vishnu in the form of that Jalajantu is for yoga purposes. So upasanarthameva tatra evam we think of that Jalajantu in the Akasham in the form of all the stars. So there is a Vedic reference to it also, and at the same time Puranam also refers to this Shishumara Akriti of Narayana. And Narayana is the Antaryami for all of these Jyotis. We move on to the 10th Adhyaya. Atha Dashamodhyayaha Surya Ratha Adhishtatrinam Devadinam Vivaranam. So in Surya Ratha is a representation of Kalam. Right? So there is only one chakra and each of the names there are masas and everything. So we saw the description of the Ratha earlier. Now each of those months have an Adhishtatra Devata or Aditya, etc. He is going to talk about those Devatas who are Devayonis, who are all the representative Devatas for each and every month associated with the Surya's travel. Sashiti Mandala Shatam काष्ठयोः अन्तरं द्वयोः आरोहण अवरोहाभ्यां भानोः अब्देन या गतिः भानोः अवरोह आरोहण अवरोहाभ्यां अब्देन या गतिः वर्तते तत्तु साशीति मण्डलशतं द्वयोः काष्ठयोः अन्तरं साशीति मण्डलशतम् अस्ति. That's the Anvaya here. So Bhanoho for the sun, Aroha Avarohabhyam, Aroha Udayaha, Avaroha Astamanam, Ubhabhyam api Ya Gatihi Vartate Bhanoho Abdena. In 1 year it goes, that is, it rises and sets, and the movement of the sun for 1 year is in between the north and the south. Actually east to west it moves, but there is also this Dakshinayanam and Uttarayanam. So you take the kashta here as two directions, which is the north and the south. I am missing something here. It's stuck here. My screen is freezing. Okay. Yeah. So dvayoho kashtayoho antaram is the space in between the two kashtas, or the directions in which the suryasya gatihi gacchati tatra. So surya's movement is in between the extreme northern point and the extreme southern point through which the sun has to travel. For that it takes Sashiti Mandala Shatam ityukte 180 degrees for it to ascend and descend. So idella vandu as it travels through the latitude longitude vechittu solrom. So as it travels through the sky, dvayoho kashtayoho antaram, in the space between the north and the southern extreme points, it moves for about 180 degrees here. So which is Sashiti Mandala Shatam. Shatam here is 100 and Ashiti is 80. So 180 is the distance that it travels. 180 degrees is the distance that it travels. स रथः अधिष्ठितः देवैः आदित्यैः ऋषिभिः तथा गन्धर्वैः अप्सरोभिः ग्रामणैः सर्प राक्षसैः. सः रथः इत्युक्ते भानोः रथः. सः येन रथेन भानोः गतिः वर्तते. The movement of the sun depends on the chariot of the sun. So the chariot also has particular devatas who are responsible for certain things. So he has a description of what these devatas do at the end of this chapter, which is only a very small adhyaya. So rathaha adhishtitaha, this ratha, the chariot has devas, devaihi, adityaihi. It is presided over by deva, adityas. Adityas are 12 adityas, right? So one for each month. In the same way, you have 12 rishis also, who are allotted one per each month. So devaihi, adityaihi devaihi, rishibihi, Gandharvaihi, there is one Gandharva for each month. Apsarobihi, one Apsara Stree for each month. Gramani, Yakshaha, Sarpaha and Rakshasaha. So there are totally 7 devatas. That's why the number 7 is very important for Surya. He has 7 horses. His chariot is being pulled by 7 horses here, right? So each of those horse has 7 Adidevatas, and each one is a representation of the Adidevatas here. That is what it means. And one Adidevata for one particular month. So he is going to give you who are all the names of those devatas for each of those months. So he starts off with the Chaitra Masa. Dhata Kratustala Chaiva Pulastyaha Vasukistatha Rathabhrit Gramanihi Hetihi Tumburuhu Chaiva Saptamaha Ete Vasanti Vai Chaitre Madhumase Sadaivahi Maitreya Syandane Bhanoho Saptamasa Adhikarinaha. Sapta ete masadhikarinaha. There should be a space here. Sapta ete Chaitramase Madhumase Sadaiva Vasanti, they are always staying in the Chaitramasa. These 7 people mentioned in the shloka number 3, they are the Masa Adhikarinaha. They are the Adhikari Devatas for that particular month, which is Chaitramasa. In some cases, it is between March and April, depending on the calendar. If it is Chandramana calendar or it is the Suryamana calendar, then it is the April 14th to May 14th, which is the Chitra Masam in Tamil also. So there are differences based on the calendar. We have 5 different calendars, right? Depending on the Samvatsara. So Dhata is your Aditya. So the name of the Aditya is Dhata, or the Devata is Dhata. Kratusthala is the Apsaras. Pulastyaha is the Rishi. Vasuki is the Sarpaha. Rathabhrittu tatra Yakshaha vartate. Gramani or Yaksha are the same. So Rathabhrit Gramanihi. Hetihi. Heti is the name of the Rakshasa, and Tumburu is a Gandharva. All of these people are the Masa, Chaitramasa or Madhumasa Adhikari Devatas. The next is, after Chaitra Masa, it is Vaishakha or Madhava Masa. So Madhu Madhavau Tapasyo. We saw the shloka in the, I think, 8th chapter or no. We saw the shloka where he gave different names for the months. Actually, not Chaitra, Vaishakha, Ashadha ityadi nasti. Tatrato he said Madhu Madhavau Shuchihi Shukrau iti. So Aryama Pulahaschaiva Rathaujaha Punjikasthala Prahetihi Kachavirascha Naradascha Rathe Ravehe Madhave Nivasantyete Shuchi Samgne Nibodha Me. So Shuchi Samgne Nibodha Me goes to the next month. Next month's name is Shuchi. The second month is Vaishakha or Madhava Masa. So Aryama Pulahaha, Aryama is the name of the Aditya. You will find that these names also are found in the Aditya Hridayam in Ramayana. You will find all of these names there. Aryama, Pulahaschaiva, Pulahaha is the Rishi, Yakshaha, Rathaujaha is the Yakshas, Yaksha or Gramanihi, it's the same. Punjikasthala is the Apsarastri, and Praheti, Rakshasa, Kachaviraha is the name of the serpent. Snake, which is the one of the Ravehe Rathe Nivasanti, Madhave Nivasanti. Ravehe Rathe in the chariot of Surya, Madhave Mase in the second month, which is the Vaishakha month. These people are staying. That is, these are the Masadhikarinaha. Next is Shuchi Samgne Nibodhame. Understand about the month of Shuchi, which is, I think, Ashadha. Chaitra, Vaishakha, Chittirai, Vaigasi, Ani, illa, appa Ashadha illa. Jeshta, adukku aduthadhu Ashadha, correct. Mitraha, Atrihi, Takshakaha, Rakshaha, Paurusheyo, Atha, Menaka, ha, there should be a visarga here, but there is a lopa because of the ra here. So ha, rathasvanaschaiva, Maitreya, ete vasanti vai, ete shuchi samgne mase vasanti, ete tu jeshtha mase vasanti. Who are these? Adityaha tu mitraha, iti tasya nama, sangya. Takshakaha eva sarpaha. Rishihi Atrihi Atra Rishihi Atrihi Takshakaha Sarpaha Rakshaf Paurusheyaha. Rakshaha or Rakshasaha, both are the same. Rakshaha is an Apunsakalinga Padam, Rakshasaha is a Pullinga Padam. So the Rakshasa Paurusheya is responsible for Jeshthamasa. Menaka is the Apsarastri. Ha is a Gandharva. Ha hu Mukhastutya. I think it is there in Lalita Trishati Nanikara. Ambalukku solrache.
Devi Mahatmyathilum irukku.
Devi Mahatmyathilum varuthu. Ha hu are Gandharvas. Akarantam. Rathaswanaha tu atra Yakshaha. Maitreya ete vasanti. Ravehe rathe shuchisamnye mase ete vasanti. The next is Ashadha Samyake. So Varunaha, Vasishtaha, Nagascha, Sahajanya, Hu, Rathaha, Ratha, Chitraha, Tatha, Shukre, Vasanti, Ashadha Samyake. Ashadha Samyake, Shukre Mase, ete vasanti. So the other name for Ashadha is Shukra. So the Aditya there is Varunaha, Rishihi Vasishtaha, Nagaha iti Sarpasya nama. Some people say that it is a Rakshasa's nama. Not necessary. Sahajanya, but there is another reading that it says Rambha cha Sahajanya iti. So Rambha iti kachana kintu tasyaha anya nama Sahajanya iti. If that is the reading, then you can take it as that. Then the Rakshasa, then there is no mention of the name of a Sarpa at all. So that reading is not correct. That is why I have taken this reading. Nagascha Sahajanya. Nagaha is the Sarpa. Sahajanya is the Apsarastri. Who is the Gandharva. Rathaha is the name of the Rakshasa. And Rathachitra is the name of the Yakshas. Tatha Shukre Vasanti Ashada Samyake. The next month is Nabhaha, right? So Nabhasi. Nabho Nabhasyo. We have seen it in Raghuvamsha also. So this is Shravana and then Bhadrapada Masa. So Nabhaha is Shravana Masam. Nabhasyaha is Bhadrapada Masa. So Indro Vishwavasuhu Srotaha Elapatraha Tatha Angiraha Pramlocha cha Nabhasi ete Sarpihi cha Arke Vasanti Vai. Arke Arkasya Rate. So in Surya, instead of saying Surya iti upalakshanaya tataroktam. So you have to take it as they are not staying inside Surya, but they are staying in the Ratham of Surya in that particular month, which is Nabhaha. So Nabhaha being in Napunsakalingam, Nabhasi would be Saptami Ekavachanam. So Nabhasi, Nabho Mase, Ete, Arke, Arkasya Rathe, Vasanti. Who are these people? Indraha eva tatra Adityaha. The Gandharva there is Vishwavasu. The Yakshas there is Srotaha. The Sarpa, the serpent snake there is Ela Patraha. There is a reading Ela Putraha. Please do not change that, because Ela or Ila Putraha is Kubera. He is a Yaksha. He is not a Sarpajati. So this here is Ela Patraha eva tatra Samichinam Patha. So Sarpaha is the snake there is Ela Patraha. Rishi is Angiraha, Angiras. And then Apsarastri there is Pramlocha. The Rakshasa there is Sarpihi. The name of the Rakshasa is Sarpi. Vivaswan Ugrasenascha Bhruguhu Apuranaha Tatha Anumlocha Shankapalaha Vyagro Bhadrapate Tatha Bhadrapade Vasanti. Ete Bhadrapadamase Ratha Suryasya Rathe Vasanti. Who are these people who are staying in the Surya's chariot during Bhadrapadamasam? Vivaswan is the name of the Aditya. Ugrasena is the name of the Gandharva. Bhrigu is the name of the Rishi. Apuranaha is the Yaksha. Apsaras is Anumlocha is the Apsaras. Shankapala is the Sarpa. Shankapala and you will find this name coming up in Naganandam and the pair Sarpa. Vyagraha. Vyagraha is the name of the Rakshasa. The next month is Ujaha, Ashwa Ujaha. Pushacha Suruchi.
ஆஸ்வீஜமாசம்னே சொல்லு.
ஆஸ்வீஜமாசம்ல அதுக்கு ஆஸ்வினம் அப்படின்னு பேரு. ஒரு பேரு அஸ்வயுஜன்னு ஒரு பேரு. அதான். पूषाच सुरुचिः वातः गौतमो अथ धनञ्जयः सुषेणः अन्यः घृताची च वसन्ति आश्वयुजे रवौ. I think I have to make one small video on the months and the names of these. I'll see if I can make that, because the names are very different. Comparing the names between what is popularly seen and what is the Vedic name or the Puranic name is very interesting. Papo. Pusha is the name of the Aditya, Gandharva is Suruchihi, Rakshasa is Vataha, Rishihi Gautamaha, Dhananjaya is the name of the Sarpa, Yakshastu Sushenaha, Ghritachi is the name of the Apsarastri. The names of the Apsarastris, Ghritachi, idella you will find these names in Rigvedam. these also come up in Vikramorvashiyam also, where Vikramorvashiya is about Urvashi and Pururavas. So you have the names of Sahajanya, Rambha, Tilottama, Ghritachi. You will find these names coming up here and there in Puranas also, where the Apsara Stris are sent to, disturb the Muni Rishis tapas. You will find the names of these also coming up there. So Ghritachi is the name of another Apsaras. These are all Vasanti, Ashvayuje, Rabau. Rabau, Ravehe, Rathe, Ashvayuje, Mase, Ete, Vasanti. Aipasing so the next is Kartika Masam. Vishwavasuhu Bharadwajaha Parjanyaha Airavataha. So Parjanya Airavatau Tatha Vishwachi Senajit Chapaha Cha Apaha Kartike Cha Vasanti Vai. Kartike ete Vasanti. Kartike Mase ete Vasanti. So Vishwavasuhu is the name of a Gandharva. We found Vishwavasu earlier also in another here in Nabhomasa also, Shravana Masa also we saw Vishwavasu, but there is another Vishwavasu in the Gandharva Jati. You can have two people with the same names. So he says it is an Aparaha Gandharvaha iti. Sridhara Swami tatra vyakhyanam karoti, so it's okay. So Vishwavasuhu atra Gandharvaha, Rishi is Bharadwajaha, Aditya is Parjanyaha, Sarpa is Airavataha. Airavata we know is the elephant, right? Diggajaha iti. But there is another snake by the name Airavata iti. Apsaraha Vishwachi, Yakshas is Senajit, and Apaha is the name of the Rakshasa. I have taken a different reading from whatever is there in the book that you may have, because just to supply the proper names of these 7 beings. Whichever reading gives me the proper names, I take those readings instead of what is found in one particular book. Okay. Amsha Kashyapa Tarksyaha tu. Amsha Kashyapa Tarksyastu Mahapadmaha Tatha Urvashi Chitrasenaha Tatha Vidyut Margashirishe Adhikarinaha. So Margashirishe Mase, this is Margaring only. So Adityaha tu atra Amshaha iti Rishihi Kashyapaha Tarksyaha eva tatra Yakshaha. Tarksyaha iti Sarpopi Vartate. Atra tu Tarksyaha Yakshaha. Mahapadmaha eva atra Sarpaha iti uchyate. So it's something different from what we see in popular, notions. Generally, I'll just check that 1 minute. Interesting that Mahapadma is the Sarpa and Tarksya is the name of the Yaksha. Okay. Apsaraha Urvashi, Gandharvaha is Chitrasena. Chitrasena is a character in Vikramorvashiyam. So, and he also comes in Mahabharata also. Chitrasena comes there. When rescuing Duryodhana, who is actually Duryodhana is caught by Chitrasena, the Gandharva. And then Bhima goes there and asks him to release Duryodhana. So this Chitrasena character comes there also. Rakshasaha Vidyut iti tasya nama. These are all the Adhikari Devatas for Margashirsha. The next month is Paushamasam. Kratuhu Bhagaha Tatha Urnayuhu Spurjaha Karkotakas Tatha Arishtanemihi Chaiva Anya Purva Chittihi Vara Apsaraha Paushamase Vasantyete Sapta Bhaskara Mandale Loka Prakashanarthaya Vigravarya Adhikarinaha. Vipravarya, not Vigra. Okay, sorry. Vipravarya Adhikarinaha. He Vipravarya Maitreya Ete Adhikarinaha Sapta. Ete Sapta, these 7 Adhikarinaha, Masa Adhikarinaha, Loka Prakashanarthaya, in order to give light to the world. Lokam Prakashayitum. Bhaskara Mandale Paushama Vasanti. these people also stay in the Bhaskara Mandalam, that is the Surya Mandalam, during Pausha Masa in order to give light to the entire world. And these are the Adhikari Devatas for Pausha Masa. Kratuhu is the Rishi, Bhagaha is Adityaha, Urnayuhu is the Gandharva, Spurja is your Rakshasa, Karkotaka is Sarpa, the serpent. Karkotaka comes in Kandavavanam in Mahabharata. Arishtanemi is the Yakshas, Gramanihi or Yakshaha. Anya Purvachittihi Vara Apsaraha. Vara ityukte Sundari, the great Apsaras called Purvachittihi is the seventh one here. These seven are responsible for Pausha Masa. त्वष्टा अथ जामदग्निः च कंबलो अथ तिलोत्तमा ब्रह्मोपेतः अथ ऋतजित् धृतराष्ट्रः अथ सप्तमः माघमासे वसन्त्येते सप्त मैत्रेय भास्करे. माघमासस्तु अत्र अधुना प्रचलति मासी चल रहा है. सो त्वष्टा इज द आदित्यः, जमदग्निः इज द ऋषि, सर्प इज कंबलः, अप्सरास् तिलोत्तमा एव अप्सराः, ब्रह्मोपेतः एव राक्षसः, यक्षस्तु तत्र ऋतजित्, धृतराष्ट्रः इति कश्चन गन्धर्वस्य नाम. सो माघमासे वसन्ति एते सप्त मैत्रेय भास्करे. अगेन भास्करे यू टेक इट एज भास्करस्य रथे माघमासे एते सप्त वसन्ति. These seven are staying. The last month is Phalguni, Panguni. So Shruyatam cha apare surye Phalgune nivasanti ye. So listen to the other set of seven people who live in the Phalguna Masa in the Surya's chariot. Vishnuhu is the Aditya, Ashwataraha is the name of the Sarpa, Rambha Apsaraha, Suryavarchaha Gandharvaha, Satyajit iti Yakshaha. Vishwamitraha eva Rishihi तथा रक्षः, द राक्षसा देयर इज यज्ञोपेतः. हे महामुने मैत्रेय. मासेषु एतेषु मैत्रेय वसन्ति एते तु सप्तकाः, सवितुः मण्डले ब्रह्मन् विष्णुशक्ति उपबृंहिताः. एते सप्त वसन्ति, मासेषु एते सप्तकाः वसन्ति सवितुः मण्डले ब्रह्मन्. हे ब्रह्मन् मैत्रेय, एते these saptakaha, set of seven, one from Rishi, one from Aditya, one from Yakshas, Rakshas, and then you have Gandharva, Apsaraha, Sarpa. These are the seven set of sevens, right? So this saptakaha who stay in every month of Savituhu Mandale in the Surya Mandalam, they are all Vishnu Shakti Upabrimhitaha eva Santaha Vasanti. They are able to stay in the month of each month because they are being Upabrimhitaha, Vardhitaha. Their Shakti is being increased by Vishnu Shakti within. So Vishnu becomes the Antaryami for all of these Devatas and enable them to do their particular work. Stuvanti Munayaha Suryam Gandharvaihi Giyat. What is their work here? So Stuvanti Munayaha Suryam. Suryas, I would have done a better job in Surya Shatakam if I had learnt this. Because there is one shloka in Surya Shatakam where all of these people are present. Yaksho, Rakshamsi ityadi or particular shlokam onnu irukku. Adu paakrena mudinja send it. So Munayaha Stuvanti. So their work is that. So Munayaha Suryam Stuvanti, they stotram kuruvanti tatra, Gandharvaihi Giyate Puraha. As Surya moves, Gandharvas are all singing in front of him. Nrityanti Apsarasaha. It is like a daily utsavam for Bhagavan. Right? So during the utsava you have Nrityam, Ganam, Veda Goshaha, Stotram, Ityadikam. So this is, it is very, and normal people also follow when the Utsava Murti comes out of the temple, right? So this Surya Gamanam tu, Suryasya Gatihi tu, evam Devayonibihi Kriyate Ityeva. So these Devas are all doing the work of normal people when we see in this Bhumi. Yeah. So Munayaha Stuvanti Suryam Gandharvaihi Giyate Puraha. Gandharvas sing in front of him. Nrityanti Apsarasaha. Apsaras 3, all of those Apsaras dance in front of him. Suryasya anu nishacharaha yanti, and behind Surya, all of the Rakshasas are all moving. Vahanti pannagaha yakshaihi kriyate abhishu sangraha. So Vahanti pannagaha, the serpents are all carrying the ratham actually. So the and anukulataya tatra rathasya, the construction of the ratha, or not construction, decoration of the ratha. So abhishu sangraha ityukte, the alankarana vastu, or how the ratham should go. There will be people who will be carrying or pulling the ratham. But there will be others who will also keep checking whether the samsthanam of the ratham is fine or not. They'll keep adjusting, rearranging things. They will ask people to move away. That work is done by the yakshas, it seems. So yakshaihi abhishu sangraha kriyate. All the other paraphernalia and everything is being collected by the yakshas. So this is the work of the 7 set of people in every month, during every month, for Surya's movement. It's a beautiful picture in mind. Valakhilyaha tathaiva enam parivarya samasate. So Valakhilyas are 60,000 rishis who are Angushtamatram. Their height is only the height of a thumb. And those 60,000 rishis are standing around parivarya. They surround the sun, and samasate, they are doing upasanas constantly. And it is only because of their upasanas that the mandeha are being pushed down, right? So they are being conquered. This we saw earlier also. Soyam saptaganaha Surya Mandale Munisattama Hima Ushna Vari Vrishtinam Hetuhu Swasamayangataha. Swasamayangataha Saptaganaha. Each one of these who are involved in this 7, the set of 7, Swasamayangataha, when they are come to their time, that is when they, when it is their time to do certain things, they do all of these things. They are responsible for Hima, snow, Ushna, heat, Vari, and Vrishti. Vari is in general water, and then flow of water. Vrishti is rains. So when their particular time arrives, Swasamayangataha Saptaganaha, when they get to their service period, Rutukal. And when that particular Rutu comes in, then they have to do that particular work. In the service, when they are appointed in service, they have to do that particular work. That's what it is. So Surya Mandale Saha Ayam Saptaganaha Vasati. So they are responsible for the different changes in weather. Iti Shri Vishnu Mahapurane Dvitiyamshe Dashamodhyayaha. The next Adhyaya, I will start the next Adhyaya because as a continuation of this, it is interesting. Why, if each of these devatas are responsible for Hima, Ushni, Vari, etc., then what is the job of Surya? As Parashara ends the Adhyaya, Maitreya's question is very interesting here. Maitreya Uvacha. So he talks about the Vishnu Shakti behind all of these devatas. Yatetat bhagavanaha ganaha saptavidaha ravehe mandale hima tapadehe karanam tanmaya shrutam. I have listened to whatever you have said, that etat bhagavanaha, that which you have said, that this saptavidaha ganaha, this 7 types of people who are adhikari devatas, ravehe hima tap ravehe mandale hima tapadehe karanam iti yat bhagavata uktam bhagavan aha, that they are responsible for hima and tapa, the cold and the heat which is present in the Ravi Mandala, or the 7 ganas who are present in the Surya Mandala, they are responsible for hima and tapa, etc. Vrishti karanam iti tatutu maya shrutam. I have heard that vyaparaschapi katitaha gandharva uraga rakshasam rishinam valakhilyanam tathaiva apsarasam guru. Hey Guru Parashara, Gandharva Uraga Rakshasam. Gandharvas, the Vyaparaha Katitaha. The work of all of these people have been said by you. Who are all these people? Gandharvas, Uraga, serpents, Rakshasas, Rishis, Valakhilya and Apsara. You have told me the Vyapara or the work of all of these people. Fine. Yakshanam cha rathe banoho Vishnu Shakti Dhritatmanam Kincha Adityasya Yat Karma Tanna Atra Uktam Toyamune. You have also told me about Yakshana. Bhanoho Rate Vishnu Shakti Dhritatmanam Yakshanam Gandharva Uraga Rakshasam Apsarasam Valakilyanam Rishinam cha Vyaparaha Katitaha Tatha Anvayaha Bhavati. So you have to take the Anvaya in that manner. So Bhanoho Rathe, in the chariot of Surya, Vishnu Shakti Dhrita Atmanam, those who are being supported by the Vishnu Shakti inside in their mind, these Rakshasas, Yakshas, all of these people, they do some work or the other being inspired by Vishnu Shakti from inside. Now you have told me all of their work. Kincha, but further, Adityasya Yat Karma Tatena Uktam. So if you go back to the final, the 2-3 shlokas that he said in the last chapter, in the 10th chapter, he spoke about how Stuvanti Munayaha Gandharvaihi Giyate Nrityanti Apsarasaha Nishacharaha Anu Gachanti Pannagaha Vahanti Yakshaha tu Abhishu Sangraha Yakshaihi Abhishu Sangraha Kriyate Ityeva Tatra Uktam. And then you also said about the Valakilyas. But Aditya is one of the 7 Ganas. Only about the 6 people you have told. You have not spoken about the work of Aditya. So Kincha Adityasya Yat Karma Tanna Atra Uktam Tvayamune. You have not said about that. Yadi Saptaganaha Vari Himam Ushnam cha Varshati Tat Kim Atra Ravehe Yena Vrishtihi Suryat iti iryate. Yadi. So you have not spoken about Aditya's work. Now you have to tell about that. Another question is, Yadi Saptaganaha, if this set of 7 are doing Vari Varshati, Himam Ushnam Vari cha Varshati, if they are responsible for the changes in weather, Tat Kim Atra Ravehe, then what is the Prayojanam? Kim Atra Ityukte Kim Atra Prayojanam Ravehe. Then what is the use of the sun here? Suryat Vrishtihi iti cha iryate. But it is being popularly understood that Vrishti or rain comes only from the sun. Then what is the work of the sun? Vivaswan uditaha madhye yati astam iti kim janaha braviti etat samam karma yadi saptaganasya tat. If this work is done by saptagana, then what? Why do they say that Vivaswan madhye uditaha madhye yati astam yati? So Vivaswan uditaha, Vivaswan madhye vartate, Vivaswan astam yati iti janaha kim braviti. What are they talking about when they say that the sun has risen, uditaha? Sun is in the middle of the sky, madhye asti, yati astam, the sun is going to set, iti janaha kim braviti. What are they talking about? Etat samam karma yeti saptaganasya tat. If this is the same work that the 7 people are also doing, then why do we say that Vivasvaneva atra uditaha iti? Kimartham tatra Vishwavasuhu uditaha iti noktaha. Athava Vashishtaha uditaha iti noktaha. Right? We don't say that it is the Gandharvas who are rising or Gandharvas who are in the middle of the sky or Gandharvas are setting. Tatha no uchyate eva. Khalu? Tarhi, what is the reason behind all of these things? Okay. So this is the Purva Pitika for giving us that it's the Vishnu Shakti behind all of these things. So that is why we talk about Surya here more than anything else. Yeah. So we will stop with this. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vacham Tato Jayamutire.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.